Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV and MrMikeGarner.com, and this is a continuation of your dowsing training or your hand energy training, your polarity training, understanding the energy of your body. And I encouraged you to get your dowsing pendulum, whether it's got a crystal drop on it or whether you're hanging a wedding ring or a ring or an earring off a piece of cotton or a key, anything that will dangle that's weighted will work. You offer your hand up and then you hold the cord or the chain with your middle finger, your thumb and your index finger, which gives it that neutral, positive and negative. If you check back dowsing training, hashtag dowsing, hashtag pendulum in the Mr. Mike Garner, Mr. GTV Facebook page, and then you offer your hand up, and what you're working out is the polarity and the vortex of energy. So anti-clockwise would determine female energy, nothing to do with men and women. It's female energy. A man has female energy, a woman has masculine energy. We have that duality, that polarity within us. Working out whether or not your hand is predominantly female or male, and then your right hand is predominantly male or female, and also how much energy depending on the power of the vortex of energy. So obviously if it's rotating powerfully like this, then you're giving off lots of energy. If it's a small movement, then it's more subtle. All good, no judgment with that, but it's good to know. Now what I want to do is take this to another level, because I want you to actually douse over your crown chakra. It's good actually if you pair up with somebody, find a training partner, a family member or soulmate or somebody that you trust, and you can actually douse over their head, over their crown, and just see whether it rotates anti-clockwise or clockwise. Most females who are in a female modality, in other words, in a female energetic auric state, it will go anti-clockwise. But if a female is in authoritarian, if they are wearing the pants, if you like, wearing the trousers in the family, or if they're in a authoritarian assertive mood, it will go clockwise, which is male energy. Again, nothing to do with gender or sexuality, it's just an energy expression. And over a man, predominantly an alpha male or a man in authoritarian energetic state, it will actually go clockwise. But a man who is sensitive, empathic, doing spiritual work as I am at the moment, it would tend to go anti-clockwise. Even though I'm a strong man, it will go anti-clockwise, because if I'm doing tarot or healing work or divination of any description, psychic work, if I'm in a creative modality, I would project a feminine energy and it will go anti-clockwise. So that's something to check. A man would have a clockwise crown, an anti-clockwise brow, a clockwise throat, an anti-clockwise heart, a clockwise solar plexus, an anti-clockwise sacral chakra, and then a clockwise root. And then a female would go anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise heart, anti-clockwise solar, clockwise sacral, and then an anti-clockwise root chakra. It alternates. So play that again and take some notes if you want to know that. But your chakras alternate. So a male, it would start at clockwise, end up clockwise, and you go anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and it would be vice versa for a female. And if your chakras are out of balance, or if you're particularly challenged, let's say for instance that a man would be clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, they would be speaking in a dominant authoritarian male way. But if a man was sensitive or upset or talking expressive or creative, they would manifest an anti-clockwise throat vortex. So this is a really good way. And again, what I would do is partner up, pair up, get somebody to lie down that you're going to work on and test, and then check their chakras: crown, brow, throat, heart, solar plexus, navel, sacral, or root, and just test them, and then turn them over and check their spine line as well. So you're going to do it on their front channel, which is their conceptor channel, and then do it on their spine line with them face down, and that's their governor channel. Do it on men and women, do it on children, do it on your pets, do it on yourself. Just get some experience as to what the energy is with yourself, the intensity of the energy, the rotation, polarity and gender of the energy, and on yourself and on people that you're working with. Get familiar with this and then check back for more from me, Mike G, for free on Mr. GTV. Any questions, put them in the comments box. If you want to chat, I'm here for that. This is fun, this is exciting. And what I would encourage you to do for the next set of exercises is find yourself some single terminated quartz crystals. So that's been snapped off a rock bread. So get something like this, single terminator, or get yourself a tumblestone. That's a citrine and that's an aventurine. So any colour, anything that you resonate with, but I really enjoy working and find that it's good to work with master generators, pure quartz. So you can get something like that, or I'll just take this out of my tarot pack now. I have my cards charged up, so I'm as good as my word. I'm taking this out of my pack because I've got some tarot readings in 30 minutes, private readings. That's a double terminated master generator, and you can work with this as well. And if you check back for more from me for free, Mike G on Mr. GTV, I'll tell you what to do with these tools, these toys, these healing objects, these objects of divination that connect you to your power and also allow you not just to receive information as a receiver, but to transmit energy and information and love and healing as a projector. And that's where we're going, and that's really cool. Be powerful, enjoy your mind. Comments in the comments box below. Find yourself people to work with. You can do it with your pets. Test yourself, test other people. Find out what the rotation of the energy is on the chakras. Check the hand energy, check the crown energy, and keep it in a journal. And if you've got any questions, just make some notes, ask me your questions, and we'll get together as a group on a live in about a week's time. And as we go into July 2023, you'll be doing more with me for free on Mr. GTV. Share this with your friends. Be powerful. Enjoy your mind.